In case you didn't know, let me tell you that here at Red Fox Education, we provide a range of courses for those wishing to study for the IELTS examination. It's a fact that many candidates underprepare for the test. Some overestimate their own ability level, others underestimate the difficulty level of the test. It's not designed to be easy because otherwise it would not be universally accepted by universities. So we have designed courses for differing entry levels, all written by an IELTS expert and former examiner. Whether you're a beginner and want to reach band 6 to satisfy a pre-sessional course requirement, or if you have a natural ability at language learning and want to push yourself to reach band 7.5 or higher, then we have the course for you. Our IELTS study products are available via our innovative online learning platform or through our mobile app. Whichever format you choose, you will have access to the very best study materials to prepare you for the examination and ensure your success. The courses cover all elements of the IELTS syllabus: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Our learning materials include detailed descriptions of each part of the test, explanatory videos, audio samples for answers to speaking questions, and lots of practice worksheets and exercises for you to test your skills and check your improvement. We also provide you with a mock test service, and if you want additional help, well, there's a blended learning option as well. Let me tell you about the lessons in more detail. The reading sections test a wide range of abilities, from understanding the main purpose or theme of the text or a part of it, to identifying specific information in the text and understanding the opinion or bias expressed by the writer. We give you a step-by-step guide to every question type and the best strategies for finding the answers, thereby maxing your score. In the listening part, we teach you the key skills of predicting and tracking and give you the important tips that help you find the correct answers. The writing is the most difficult part of the test for most candidates, closely followed by the speaking part. Many students get hung up on correct grammar and trying to use complex vocabulary that they possibly don't fully understand. The key to a high score in writing, and for the speaking actually, is to understand how you get the marks, what you need to include so that the examiner can give you a high score. If you know that, then you can give written or spoken answers that do exactly that. For example, in task 1, we have to select and report the key features, making comparisons where relevant. So what does that mean? Well, we explain exactly how you select the important information and include only that in your answer, and the several ways in which you can show comparisons in the data. Moving on to task 2, you're required to give reasons for your answer using examples from your own knowledge or experience. The key thing here is to present, extend, and support relevant ideas, and how well you can do that determines how high your score is. There are other elements, of course, but that is the secret to developing your answer in a way that gives you the best chance of a high-scoring script. So, my question for you is, are you convinced yet? Your journey to IELTS success starts when you click the link to register with us. Thank you for watching.